Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean a faucet aerator and why. Okay, so if you've noticed that maybe the water pressure coming out of your vanity faucet or a kitchen faucet isn't as robust as it used to be before, there's a good chance that the aerator is actually clogged with debris. This can happen over time, in particular if you live in an older home, and it's a fairly easy thing to fix. First, you want to go over to whatever faucet's causing you this problem, and that little spout where the water comes out, there's an aerator that is there, and you are going to unscrew it. Many times you can just do it by hand, and if you can't, take a pair of slip joint pliers or even a regular pair of pliers and gently loosen it. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, as if you're looking at it from down below. Loosen the aerator, and as you pull it away, you'll see some of that debris. You can turn the water on. Now it's going to splash a little bit, but go ahead and just rinse that filter off and then replace it. When you do this, you're going to see that the water flow is more robust and cleaner, and you just fixed it. Coming up next, my video on how to clean the grout in your home.